next story will be about, of course, vandas from Motes, orchids. I was thinking, look, you are doing not bad job. You understand some kind of vandas. You need to try Motes one. They are a little bit expensive, yeah, but they have fragrance. So I'd like to see some fragrant orchids, vandas in my collection. I was thinking what I need to buy, what I need to buy, what I need to buy. I am pretty greedy person, sorry guys. So that's why I bought not one, I bought a few of them. Okay, so I bought 4 plus 4 means 8. I would like to share you some of them. You know what, this one I would say it's a good purchase because the plants are pretty healthy. I did not water it, but just take a look at this. Healthy enough, you know what. And for the price, like 180 for all these, yeah, they were on sale. I need to say that was like Bart's Motes choice. So I have a bunch of them, like 8 of them. They are not doing bad job. They are doing great job, I would say, but the size is media. They have some kind of roots. Oops, who is this guy? Look, that's also was from Motes. You know what? It had some leaves, but they were fallen, and it's so sad for me. So sad, really. I said, Bart, what is this one? Sorry, I paid like some amount of money. I'd like to have some kind of satisfaction, so I'm expecting to see some other replacement for this one. And they are just in 3 days they became like yellow one, and that is a problem of Motes orchids. This one was the 8 Vanda. Look at this root. Is it a root? Is that a root? Is that a root? No, seriously, I am expecting to see something more gorgeous. For that plant, I would say give me just a little bit helpful part of the plant. I can grow it up. If you will have some kind of root, you can soak roots. If you have any kind of leaf, yeah, I would say pretty complicated, but it can survive. I know for sure, that is my experience. I wish you will never have such kind of orchid, but something more healthier. So it's pretty complicated to grow up this one, but in any case I am pretty sure that it will survive if there will be no fusarium. I got to mention, this plant have a kiki. Are you happy? Most of the guys will say, oh nice, you have 2 plants instead of 1. No, I am not happy at all, because Kiki for me means some kind of problem with a big plant. Why? Because normal growing plant will grow up from the top. If it have some kind of problems, like it is rotten, no, it is not. So, question, where is your problem? It should be like Fusarium issue. That's why don't look at the nice foliage. Something went wrong because of overwatering, because of this kind of fungus. We have a Kiki. It's a trouble plant for me. I'm not happy with this at all. Trouble orchids come. Also, I bought 5 huge vandas. Huge, I mean it's really huge. Look at them. Some of them are not doing bad, but some of them, look at this one. Wow, there is no leaves. They were dropped, and it's so sad. It's so sad. I asked Bart, what does it mean? You are not watering it. Yes, I'm doing another job, but you know what? You can water your roots if you have roots. But if you have no roots, what you need to do? Just grow up the roots. How you can grow them? Can you explain me? Just showering. I am just curious. You know what? I was just not expecting to see like this stuff. I'm guessing he's guru. Can he send a vandas without roots? For me, if the vanda is pretty huge one, the root system also should be the huge one. There is no roots for me at all. For this vanda, the same. Sorry guys, this vanda, I just forgot to include this vanda. That is exactly what happens for me. So, vanda, nice vanda, even have a buds, one bud I would say. I don't know, I didn't count it. So, the leaves starting be yellow, and then falling down. Why? The root system is weird. The root system is pretty weird. So this plant is not so huge one. In any case, you know what? I was not expecting to see any kind of vandas without roots. Guys, it's just terrible for me. So pretty much that's it. Good thing is, yeah, it's producing some buds. I am trying to make the roots round it, to put it to the bucket, preparing them for the potting. This one is even have flowers. They are fragrant. I don't like the fragrance. For these 5, it was overpaying for me. If I would see the quality of this, I would never pay like $3.60 of bucks per watt. Highly appreciate my skies. Picture is so nice, and it helps me to survive under hot, shiny sun. Short reminder, that is second part of my vandas collection. So because of the root slack, I should try to follow Bart's recommendation to shower my vanda daily. I was really scared to do it, and I had several conversations with few guys, vandas growers. So they did the same job and had really great results. Because of their sharing, I became more confident and can share my results now in 2.5 months. I know 2 months is nothing for vandas. Anyway, I'd like to describe my second watering method, which I am using now for huge Motes vandas, as well as few other vandas, by daily misting of them together with the weekly soaking of the roots. That is first watering method, which I described in the first video. So, one more time, it's an experiment for me. it's a project. I am not sure how it will be ended, but in any case, I am misting my vandas with and without fertilizer once or twice per day. Wind is helping vandas to dry out pretty quickly. Remember please, it is just outdoor growing for me. Why I am scared to mist my vandas? Because last year I had a kind of bacterial and fungus problem on the leaves. So now I know that I should avoid temperatures less than 55 Fahrenheit for outdoor growing. For now I can say second watering method by misting or showering is approved by me. For the summertime, yes. For winter time, I really don't know. Because when the temperature will go down, how my misting experiment will go, have no clue yet. But I still have some time to figure out what I need to do with it. Even right now in October, in the morning time, temperatures can be around 60 degrees of Fahrenheit, and it's cold even for me. So I'm watering when the temperature is rising up above 75 Fahrenheit, and just then I am misting the vandas. As other grower, my friend was explaining, the guys in Florida are successfully using this method. He said that with their high humidity, they cannot water in Vanda at all, but they are watering vandas 2 or 3 times per day with high fertilizer amount. I asked him why I got such weird rootless plant. He said, it's absolutely not an issue for them. Roots are growing like crazy. They are cutting them from time to time, few times per year, under some line. The roots will not touch the ground. Can you imagine it? I cannot. Other difference with Florida and California is low temperature in a winter time. It allows to get more flowering in California. As he said me, I'm not sure it's still rumors, but in any case, I'm preferring to say that's a kind of information, okay? Let's verify it. A normal speed of leaves growing is about 4 leaves per year for me. Can be 3, can be more, depending what kind of vanda is it. In a winter time, tips as well as top of the vanda are not growing. That's why I will reduce watering as well as fertilizing for the winter time. From Thailand, Hawaii, Florida growers, I can see same roots, no roots or damaged roots. Foliage vandas also can have problem or without problem, but it's not so bad as root issues. Thanks to Motes vandas, I have to try both method, and I will definitely decide which method will work better for me. I will keep updating you about results of that project.